Okay, today we're going to take a look at a pretty nice little Zippo. Now this one arrived in the protective sleeve over the black box, and it says Zippo trading cards, and it says the same thing on the above the barcode on the box. Now this was made in the USA. It's a genuine Zippo. Made in Bradford, PA. There's a first look at the trading cards. Now I like this one because it's got some information on it. It says Zippo, that's good. Windproof lighter, it's got that nice big red Zippo logo, the red flame, and since 1932. Now I have no idea what the trading card is used for, unless of course it's trading. So this is on a brushed chrome finished body. Good sound, lights up nice. Now this one was made in, looks like K of 17, so I think that's November of last year. Pretty good stampings. So let's do a lit drop test on this thing. This is the Zippo trading card design. Lit drop test. Take one. Okay, that stayed lit nicely. I like this kind of design because it's got information on it. It's got that Zippo logo. Really good looking flame. So that is the Zippo trading card lighter, made in the USA, and definitely deserves an award and a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.